Hello YouTube, do not put milk and eggs in the door. How to store food in the refrigerator so that they do not spoil. How we store our food affects how long it lasts and how much energy our refrigerator uses. Different parts of the refrigerator have different temperatures, so it's important to store food appropriately. Everything needs to be assigned a place based on what storage temperature the product needs, how much humidity it needs, how much space it takes up, and when it was purchased. Experts told how to organize the space in the refrigerator and what products should not be stored in the door. They named 7 steps to take to clean up the refrigerator, pointed out the most common mistakes and explained why it is important to avoid them. Don't keep milk at the door. Most of us store milk and other dairy products on door shelves, but this is the warmest part of the refrigerator. The temperature changes every time you open and close the door, so things like cheese shouldn't be stored there. Instead, use the door to store condiments and sauces, and store dairy products on the middle shelf. Store eggs with dairy products. It's also very common for people to store eggs in refrigerator doors, especially since some have built-in egg holders. But just like milk, eggs should not be exposed to constant temperature changes. Eggs and dairy products fit perfectly on the middle shelf of the refrigerator. Store meat in the coldest part of the refrigerator. Foods such as fish and meat should be stored in the coldest part of the refrigerator. The coldest part of the refrigerator depends on the model. It can be the back of the bottom shelf or the topmost shelf. The best way to find out is to use a thermometer. Keep vegetables in a drawer. Keep your vegetables in a compartment at the bottom of your refrigerator called the vegetable drawer. These drawers retain moisture so your vegetables stay fresh longer. Store leftover food on the top and middle shelves. Leftovers only make sense to eat a day or two after they've been cooked. If a half-eaten salad, side dish, or chicken leg isn't eaten within 2 days, it's unlikely to ever be in demand, so we don't have to worry too much about to keep them fresh for a long time. This means that they will feel great on the top and middle shelves. Place old food in front of the refrigerator. When buying new food, be sure to put all old food in front of the refrigerator so you can use it first. This will also allow you to see what is in demand and what is not. Don't overfill your fridge. Too much food too close together restricts air circulation, which can ultimately affect how long your food stays fresh. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.